Alright, so we're back, finished with the cutting part. It will be, the name or whatever will be a little bent because, I mean, sometimes you apply pressure to certain spots of the name that it'll come out kind of curved. So just go back and bend it to as straight as you can. Make sure that the letters are lined up. It even bends this way, like this. You know what I mean? So just make sure that it's straight. Press down in the center if you need to, and get it as straight as you can. To take the tape off, what I use are scissors. Oops. And just part of the nameplate, a little corner or a little spot, just dig in there a little bit and peel off the tape. It'll go smoothly. You don't need to apply a lot of pressure. It's a rainy night in Georgia. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but the rain droplets. I've tried other ways to take off the tape. This is the best that I've found. Get the majority off of the piece. Any little bits that stay on there, just go back with the tip of your scissors and do the same thing wherever there's still some tape. Alright, that's out of the way. So this is the plate we're gonna put the name on. Oops. And whenever you're doing an ID like nameplate or ID bracelet like this, where it's the basically plate itself is the lock. You see that? There's a little hole for opening it to unlock it. You have to find out how the customer wears it, which way they're gonna wear it, depending on how you're gonna. That's gonna depend on how you put the letters on there. If they wear it like this with the hole to the left, or if they wear it like this with the hole on this side, basically, you know. Because depending on how they wear it, depends on how you're gonna put the letters on there. If you put the letters on the wrong way, man, they're gonna come back because they don't like wearing it that way, or they're gonna tell you to take off the name and switch it around, which is hard to do. It can be done, but it's hard to do. Luckily, I remembered, and I asked, and he was even kind enough to draw me a little sketch. And the hole is over here on this side, on the sketch. And if they messed up on it, that's on them. You know, we keep this as proof. So it's gonna go like this on there. And since it's curved, I'm gonna bend this name over a mandrel, a bracelet mandrel, to curve it to just sit on top of there. Next step, we're gonna rough this up, the back of it, rough it up. This plate has already got a little rough surface. That's just so the solder sticks better to the metals. And then after that, after we solder it on there, we go to the polishing. Put it in a pickling pot, let it regain its normal color back, and then polishing is next. So let me get the mandrel. This is a bracelet mandrel. Solid steel, iron, whatever it's made out of, hard as heck. So we use this to put the curve on the nameplate so it'll sit on the bracelet better. You can do it with the hammer, or you can do it by hand, depending. You can do it with the mallet, basically, not the hammer, a rubber mallet. Just kind of ease it into the thing. You might want to anneal it first, be a good idea. But yeah, you might want to anneal it first. So we're gonna anneal it, which is heat it up, like I said earlier, and then let it cool. Then pickle it in the pickling pot. Ultrasonic steam again, and bring it back. And before you solder, steam both your pieces very good, very clean. Make sure that they are always clean. Anytime you're gonna solder, always make sure your pieces are clean. So we're gonna do that now real quick.